over basic vent settings that we deem will be safe for all patients, and we will start the ventilator from scratch. So we will plug it into 50 psi oxygen, air, and electricity. It doesn't matter what order you plug it into. It doesn't care. It will, either way it will work. So any order that you'd like. So I will do oxygen, I will do the air, and I will plug it in. Again, it doesn't matter what order you do that. Okay, so before turning the ventilator on, we are going to want to remove the elbow with the red cap, opening up the circuit. We will now turn on the ventilator with the on switch, which is located underneath this clear flap, and we will press it on. As this is a new patient on the ventilator for the first time, we will select New Patient. We highlight that and we hit Continue. These are settings from the ventilator, which we will now modify for everyone. The rate will go to 16. We will highlight the rate and we will turn the dial until we achieve our rate of 16. We will increase the tidal volume to 500. Same process. We will highlight the tidal volume. We will turn the knob until we reach 500. Flow will be changed to 60 liters. We will highlight it, rotate the knob to 60 liters. It is set at 100%. Our protocol is PEEPA 5. It is set at 3. We will highlight it and go to 5. And when we are done, we will hit accept. The next thing we will do is we will need to do some minor adjustments on the alarm settings. This is the minute ventilation alarm. It is set at 2.5 to 4.75. We need to increase the upper limit. We will highlight it. We will rotate the button until we come to 15. We will hit accept. The ventilator is now ready to be connected to a patient. It will remain in standby until it is connected to the ET tube and will then start ventilating. Okay, so this is what the patient is on. This is what the patient is doing. So as you can see, the patient is breathing a rate of 23, a tidal volume of 538, and a minimum ventilation of 10.6. A blood gas should be obtained 30 minutes after, and then numbers can be titrated.
Starting it again.
Okay. So, are you ready? So after obtaining a blood gas, depending on the values, if the patient was acidotic and you needed to increase the vent settings, you would do so as follows. A rate change can be made by highlighting the rate and turning the knob to the desired setting, which I will pick at 16. The tidal volume may also be increased or decreased depending on which way you rotate the dial. I have chosen 500. Once I get where I want to go, I hit accept, and the patient is now on a rate of 16 and a tidal volume of 500.
Okay.